You know that CO2 in Earth is increasing day by day. It is very bad news because CO2 is very dangerous gas. It increases our Earth's temperature. What will happen if carbon dioxide become 1% in Earth's atmosphere? Let's know that. Currently, CO2 is only about 0.04%. If it is increased to 1%, it would cause massive destruction on Earth. 1. Human can't survive. At 1% CO2, people will lose consciousness within minutes and possibly die. Number 2. Deadly heat. Earth's temperature will rise dramatically, turning the planet into a burning oven. 3. Sea level would rise. All polar ice would melt, causing huge flooding across the world. Number 4. Animal and plant will die. The extreme heat and lack of oxygen would make it impossible for life to continue. Number 5. Ocean will become acidic. Marine life will die off, including fish and coral. Number 6. Earth will no longer be livable. The planet will be lifeless except for a few tiny microbes. If CO2 level reaches 1% in Earth's atmosphere, the effects will be very dangerous for humans, animals, and the planet. Here's what will happen. 1. Human health problem. 1% CO2 makes air hard to breathe. People may feel tired, confused, and have headache. Long exposure could cause serious health damage, especially to the brain and heart. Number 2. Extreme global warming. The Earth's temperature could rise by 10 degrees Celsius or more. Heat wave, drought, and wildfire would become very common. Number 3. Melting ice and rising seas. Glacier and polar ice would melt quickly. Sea level will rise, flooding cities and islands. Number 4. Crop failure and food shortage. Some plants may grow faster, but heat and water stress will destroy crops. This will lead to global food crisis. Number 5. Ocean damage. More CO2 in the air means more in the oceans. Ocean will turn acidic. Fishes will be extinct. We know CO2 is increasing day by day. So how to reduce CO2 in our planet Earth? So I am going to tell how way to reduce CO2 in our Earth. Number 1. Plant more trees. Trees absorb CO2 and give us oxygen. More trees mean cleaner air. 2. Use bicycle or walk. Car release CO2. Walking or cycling reduce pollution. Number 3. Save electricity. Turn off light, fan and devices when not in use. Power plants burn fuel to make electricity. 4. Using solar energy. Solar panels give clean energy without producing CO2. Number 5. Recycle and reuse. Making new things from raw material creates CO2. Recycling saves energy and cuts CO2. Number 6. Avoid plastic bag. Plastic is made from oil. Use cloth bags to reduce CO2 pollution. Number 7. Eat local food. Food that travels far uses fuel and creates CO2. Local food is better for the earth. 8. Use public transport. Buses and trains carry many people and reduce CO2 from cars. 9. Save water. Water pumps needs energy. Saving water saves energy and CO2. 10. Spread awareness. Teach others how to protect the earth and reduce CO2. Now you have known that only 1% CO2 is also very dangerous for our atmosphere, and it could cause many health problems to animals, human and other. So we should reduce CO2 in our earth. Thank you all for watching this video. Still thank you.